Today, let's see how we can create this glitch effect in Canva. Click on Create a Design and choose a custom size. Click on the Background tab and choose a simple, solid color. Upload an image and resize it. Remove its background. Click on Apps in the left sidebar, then search for the Trippy app. Adjust the variances to add distorted effects to the image. While still in Apps, search for the Slice app. Apply the Slice effect to create a fragmented or sliced appearance on image. Adjust its counts, position, and other aspects to get the desired result. Ensure the effects enhance the design. Now go to the Text tab on the left sidebar. Click on Add a heading and type your text. Search for the glitch font in the font options. Click on the Effects tab with the text selected. Click on Glitch Effect and adjust its direction and offset. Reduce the letter spacing. Now go to Element and search for Abstract Metallic Silver Line Background. Choose the one that suits your design. Add it and adjust it behind the text. Reduce its transparency. Now duplicate the text and change its color to red. Now send it backwards and adjust so that it's only partially visible. Once satisfied, click Share and choose Download. With these steps, you can create a visually striking glitch effect using Canva. Subscribe to get more design ideas like this.